Well, guys, we got the fuel pump put in. Yay! Now, that didn't solve my problem that I'm having. This thing will run good around, let's say, up to 45 miles an hour. Runs like a champ. But now I'm having this problem where if I get up around 55 and drive for any sustained length of time, it starts feeling like I'm getting the wind on the windshield. You know how you get that, it feels like something's pushing you back, and I'm losing power. And then it gets so bad to where it'll just lose all power and start back. Kind of annoying. And now it started doing a little bit of pop, pop, backfiring, like through the throttle body. Well, that tells me, you know, been doing this for a few years, that tells me it's an electrical problem. I thought it could be fuel, change the fuel filter. Seems like I'm getting plenty of fuel delivery, but now with the backfiring issue, I'm going for electrical. I checked the timing this morning. I got a little ahead of you guys. I really apologize. See? Got the old-fashioned timing light out. And it still works. I'll believe that. Okay, guys. For the timing, I don't know if you can see it, but on this wiring harness right here, that's supposed to be in this, I don't know if you can see this plastic loom back here. It's supposed to be nice and tucked in there, but it's not. Somebody pulled it out. But see that little connector right there? That's supposed to be a tan and black wire. Tan with a black stripe. And it's kind of tan. Yeah, it kind of looks tan. I went ahead and I sprayed these things down and cleaned them up to try to make sure, but that did all the timing things I wanted it to do. So that is the wire. That's where it's supposed to be, and that's where it is. So it must be, right? So what you do, you disconnect that, you start the engine up, you hook up the old timing light. You got to go way down yonder. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like little teeth down there. Think you can see it all right. Anyway, you shoot that with this gun, and when it flashes, you should see the timing mark on the crank flying around there, and you want to set that for your timing. Well, you can go right over here if you still got this on your old rig, and it'll tell you all you need to know. And it says right there, plain is the nose on your face. Timing. Before top dead center, BTC. For a manual, it's 4 degrees. But for an automatic, it's 4 degrees. Okay? So, you got to disconnect that wire. Then you set your timing 4 degrees before top dead center. This one was set at 0 at top dead center. So, it was a little bit retarded. I've been driving around a retarded truck all this time, didn't even know it. I don't know if you noticed or not, but I have the distributor cap off. That could be another culprit right there. So I took it off and I looked at it. Look at my rotor here, guys. You see that rotor? Well, I don't know if you can see it, but right on the end, right over here, where? Right there, right there. Pointing with my thumb. That's where it's been firing. That's the only shiny spot there is. Right there. And I'll show you in here. Okay guys, I've had this engine running and it's hot, but I want to show you in here. See if you can see what's going on. You see them little prongs that are sticking out? Look at the far right side, and that's where it's been firing at. So yes, I could clean these up, I could shine these up, I've done it before, and go ahead and reuse them. But you know, guys, I plan on keeping this truck. This ain't gonna be a yard ornament. This is gonna be something where I take and I go out and I get all my other trucks, and I'm gonna put a new one on here. And if you look at that button, that's not the rotor button, but it's a button in the middle of the cap. Look at that sucker, guys. That's flat. And the distributor caps that I've replaced, that's been round. It's been round like you know, the end of a push rod. So that has been in there a while. So we're going to order a new cap and rotor, and along with the timing, we're going to see how this thing's done. And in case you guys been following, this power steering unit has been doing fantastic. I may have a tiny bit that leaked out, maybe a tiny smidgen, but that is nothing, guys, to the way it was just pouring out of there before. And in case you don't know, I'll show you. I got a new dipstick that has that this little rubber flapper in it, and this little rubber flapper keeps that oil from splashing up into the cap. It deflects it away, and it's been doing a heck of a job, guys. So you might want to get you one if you're having the same problem I am. Well, guys, we're back on the old Chevy Dually. Well, you can see by the plethora of parts I have here that we are getting ready to get started again. I want to tell you guys, I made a huge mistake by not changing this cap and rotor the minute I got the truck. I looked at it and I said, it looks good. Looks like it's been changed on. And the spark plug wires looked kind of new, and I thought, oh, somebody's been, they've been doing the regular maintenance on it. Big mistake. Always check your cap, rotor, spark plugs. That is an essential part of your car or truck running. And in this case right here, I think this is going to make a huge difference with the cap and rotor. Don't even think about the plugs and the wires right now. The plugs already made a big difference. But how could them things be getting the fire they needed with the way that cap was corroded like it was? Corroded and eroded. And this rotor was trash. Look at how burnt it is. That burnt, that's fire flying in there, guys. Anyway, let's fire it up, and this thing is gonna purr like a kitten. I guarantee it. Well, probably got the timer on. Probably won't even start now. Didn't touch the pedal, just turn the key is all I did. Let me go give it a little vroom vroom. Sounds pretty good there, guys. I can't tell you how happy I am to have that cap and rotor changed. Well, guys, how about we take her for a test drive? Well, guys, we are back home, and I gotta tell you, what an enjoyable ride that was. I really enjoyed that ride. I got the air condition on now, so I rode back home in air condition, went ahead and put my window up. I wanted to hear on the engine, hear what it sounded like, and air conditioning's still holding up. That's an R12 system, guys. I got 134A in it, and it's doing great. It may be a little bit of a problem in the hot summertime. We'll see. I do want to get an external radiator fan and put on that, electric digital fan. And this truck it's doing great. I am so stoked with it. I'm gonna see now how it does. I'm gonna turn the air condition off, and hate to. Oh, it feels good. It's idle up a little higher than I want it to be. Boy, I feel that response. It is so good now. Ever since I've had this truck, when I go to start it back up when it's hot, go in the store, you're in there 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you come back out,
and then it's like flooded, and doesn't really want to start. But I want to see how it does now. Of course, I'm not waiting 15 minutes, but let's see. Guys, this has never started up like that with just a key. You always have to put your foot on the accelerator and put it halfway down, and then, you know, when it starts up, it wants to rev to the moon. So happy with this truck. So happy with the way it's turned out. Boy, she sounds good, guys. She sounds good. Well, guys and girls, I want to thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. You know, it means more to me than you know. And until next time, I've got a lot more videos coming out, so keep watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. But until next time, guys, y'all take care. God bless. See ya.